You might be surprised to learn that the average tourist in Las Vegas spends around $541 per day. Now, let's break this down. A substantial chunk of this sum goes towards accommodations. Think luxury hotels with glitzy casinos. Then, there's dining at gourmet restaurants, catching world-class entertainment shows, and, of course, the gambling. It's no wonder Las Vegas has a reputation for being a playground for high rollers. But let's debunk a common misconception here. While the city is undoubtedly a hotspot for the rich and famous, it's not exclusively so. You don't need to break the bank to experience the glittering allure of Vegas. So if you're eyeing a trip to this city but are worried about the costs, fret not. What if you could experience all the glitz and glam of Vegas on a budget? We're here to show you how. Traveling to Las Vegas doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, with a little savvy planning and a few insider tips, you can enjoy all the glitter and glamour of the entertainment capital of the world, even on a shoestring budget. Yes, you heard it right. This video is all about debunking the myth that Las Vegas is exclusively for high rollers, and showing you how to navigate this vibrant city without emptying your wallet. From finding a cozy place to rest your head, to discovering delicious food that won't cost you an arm and a leg, we've got you covered. And let's not forget about entertainment. We've got plenty of budget-friendly options lined up for you. We'll even let you in on the secret to scoring the best deals in town. Stick with us, and we'll show you how to make your dollar stretch further in Sin City. Accommodation is often one of the biggest expenses when traveling, but it doesn't have to be. When it comes to Las Vegas, you've got a smorgasbord of budget-friendly accommodation options. Let's dive in. Hostels, for instance, are an excellent choice for the budget-conscious traveler. They offer the basics: a bed, a shower, and often a communal kitchen. Hostels also provide opportunities to meet fellow travelers. Make sure to check out reviews online and book in advance to secure a spot at a hostel that suits your needs. Next up, we have Airbnb. This platform allows you to rent out private homes, apartments, or even just a room, often at a fraction of the cost of a traditional hotel. If you're traveling with a group or planning a longer stay, an Airbnb can be an economical choice. Plus, having access to a kitchen will save you money on dining out. Just be sure to check the location and read the reviews before you book. Now, let's talk about off-strip hotels. While the glitz and glamour of the Las Vegas Strip can be enticing, hotels just off the Strip can offer significant savings. These hotels often have all the amenities you'd expect from a traditional hotel, minus the premium price tag. They're still close to the action, but without the crowds and noise of the Strip. Do your research and compare prices, and you might find a hidden gem. Another tip is to be flexible with your travel dates. Hotel prices can fluctuate depending on the time of the year, the day of the week, and even the time of day. So, if you have some wiggle room in your schedule, you can snag some serious deals. Finally, don't forget to check for deals and promotions. Many hotels offer discounts for booking directly through their website, or for bundling your stay with other services like dining or entertainment. Remember, a little bit of research can go a long way in saving you money on accommodations. And with the money you save, you'll have more to spend on making unforgettable memories in Las Vegas. Las Vegas is a city known for its world-class dining and entertainment, but there are also plenty of affordable options if you know where to look. So, let's dive in. When it comes to dining, Las Vegas offers a smorgasbord of options that cater to all budgets. You don't have to dine at a 5-star restaurant to experience the diversity and quality of food here. Food trucks, for instance, serve up everything from gourmet burgers to international cuisine, and all at wallet-friendly prices. There are also plenty of buffets where you can eat to your heart's content without breaking the bank. The key is to go during lunch hours when prices are typically lower. Some places even offer all-you-can-eat options, where you can sample a variety of dishes for one reasonable price. Now, let's talk entertainment. Vegas is home to some of the most spectacular shows in the world, but tickets can be pricey. Here's a tip. Look for last-minute deals or discounted seats. Websites and apps specialize in selling unsold show tickets at a fraction of the original price. Don't forget about the array of free entertainment options in Vegas. The Bellagio's mesmerizing water fountain show, the volcanic eruption at the Mirage, or the circus acts at Circus Circus are just a few examples. These shows are a testament to the fact that you don't need to spend a dime to be entertained in this city. And if you're a fan of art and culture, many galleries and museums in Vegas offer discounted or even free entry on certain days. Lastly, explore the city's natural beauty. The Red Rock Canyon, just a short drive away, offers free or low-cost hiking trails with breathtaking views. With a bit of planning, you can enjoy a taste of the Vegas lifestyle without paying a premium. Remember, the best experiences are often priceless. And in Vegas, there's no shortage of those. Now, for the top secret to experiencing Las Vegas on a budget. It's all about being savvy, doing your research, and taking full advantage of the deals and promotions that are readily available if you know where to look. Las Vegas is a city that thrives on tourism, and many hotels and resorts offer enticing deals to attract visitors. These can include bundling accommodations with show tickets or dining credits. The key here is to bundle. By doing this, you're essentially getting more bang for your buck, allowing you to enjoy the glitz and glamour of the city without emptying your wallet. So, how do you find these deals? It's simpler than you might think. Start by checking out the websites of hotels and resorts on the Strip. Often, they'll have a special offers or deals section where you can find their latest promotions. Don't forget to check out off-Strip hotels too. They might not have the same level of prestige, but they're often more affordable and still offer great deals. Additionally, consider signing up for hotel newsletters or loyalty programs. Yes, it might mean a few more emails in your inbox, but these are often the first places where new deals and promotions are announced. Keep in mind, these deals aren't just about saving money, they're about enhancing your overall experience. For example, a bundled deal might include tickets to a top-notch show or dining credits at a gourmet restaurant, experiences you might not have splurged on otherwise. And finally, don't be afraid to negotiate. If you found a great deal at one hotel, but you'd really prefer to stay at another, reach out and ask if they can match the offer. The worst they can say is no. So there you have it. The secret to a budget-friendly Vegas experience is all about taking advantage of the deals that are out there. With a little bit of effort and savvy, you can experience the magic of Las Vegas without breaking the bank. Let's recap the key tips we've shared on saving money while traveling to Las Vegas. We've broken down the misconception that Vegas is only for the high rollers, and we've shown you that, with a bit of planning and some savvy decisions, you can experience all the glitter and glamour of the city without breaking the bank. First, we explored accommodation options that won't drain your wallet. From quaint hostels that offer a sense of community, to Airbnb rentals that provide a home away from home, and off-strip hotels that are just a stone's throw away from the action. We've shown that there are plenty of affordable places to rest your head after a day of adventure. Next, we delved into the world of budget-friendly dining and entertainment. Las Vegas is a melting pot of cuisines from around the world, and with a bit of hunting, you can find delicious meals that won't cost an arm and a leg. As for entertainment, we've proven that the city's reputation for expensive shows and attractions is only half the story. Free street performances, low-cost tickets to lesser-known shows, and even a stroll along the Strip can provide hours of fun without costing a dime. Our top secret to experiencing Las Vegas on a budget: taking advantage of hotel deals and promotions. By bundling accommodations with show tickets or dining credits, you can save a significant chunk of change and still enjoy the full Vegas experience. We've shown that it's not about how much you spend, but how wisely you spend it. With these tips in your travel toolkit, a fantastic Vegas experience is well within reach, even for the most budget-conscious traveler. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more travel content, and share your own budget travel tips in the comments. Safe travels, and see you in Vegas.